haven't posted a video in a long time. That's because I've been doing a lot of stuff because of school. So what we've got is this dry stuff, dry grass, and this bowl to make it. So we're going to get this and stick around the bowl with, I think, PVA glue. Is that right?
Maybe if it sticks. If not, then we'll use
hot glue. Yeah.
So how are you gonna make the bird nest as a bowl kind of looking?
So what we're going to do is take this bowl from the kitchen,
and press
squish it down to a bowl shape, and then we're going to stick it up.
Oops. Well done.
Oops. This should be what your result should look like. Hello everybody, so this is the tissue. Wait, this is not. Okay, so this is the tissue. And we're going to PVA glue it. We don't have a lot of glue, so it's like that. And then we're going to put it on to these, which will be our eggs for the nest. We're going to be making a circle like this and putting it on because the hot glue gun here is not working as well as we thought. So this is what we're using to make our bird nest now, and we're going to use this to cover it up with some cotton. Well, we're going to do the sewer, and we tried this, but it's not exactly working, so do need a lot of help on this one. Well, different help. So what we are doing is using PVA glue for the bottom because we don't know how else to do the bottom. Just going to get the sides as well because I haven't quite done that yet. Well, what we've done is we've put holes in there so the needle and thread can go through. Well, we've done the inside now, nice and cozy, and we just got to do like edgy bits, and then we're going to be done with that. Then we're going to put these in, nice and comfy. Then we're going to get a picture of a bird, put it right there. So we've got our eagle printed out, and we've got a cardboard here. We're going to stick it on with the Pritt stick, and then we're going to cut it out further. So I'm going to have this stick here and glue it onto the back of the eagle so it sticks up and looks like it's looking after its babies. So my dad is going to use hot glue, and then we're going to stick it on this outline there. So that's what we're doing. So finished project in 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, and don't forget to click the share button to share it to your friends and family.